Hi guys, welcome back to my shop. In this video we're going to turn a pen. Now this is the pen that we're going to turn, and I know you can't see it from this far away, so I'll put on a close-up that I've filmed earlier so you could see what pen I'm talking about. And let's just say that a pen like this should take you about, I don't know, 3 maybe 4 hours to turn. So that's what it took me, only those 3 to 4 hours stretched over 3 weeks, just because I didn't have time to turn. Work, family, life in general, that was the time that I had. So let's just jump into making the pen, and I'll see you at the end of the video with a few more words about this pen.
Bridges under the mountain, rolling through the deep. And I've been burning up the track like fire. Fire seen me through. Pick the right train, I could be rolling back to you. Ticket man, when you see my face, well, you sure don't need to tell me this is the right train. It's the right train. Bought my ticket, book my place, buckle up, let's go. I know that this is the right train. It's the right train. Track like fire, fire'd see me through. Pick the right train, I could be rolling back to you. Ticket man, when you see my face, well, you sure don't need to tell me this is the right train. It's the right train. Bought my ticket, book my place, buckle up, let's go. I know that this is the right train. It's the right train. I've been rolling back to you, baby, rolling through the night. I've been rolling back to see you, honey, kiss and hold you tight. If this train breaks down, it won't stop me, I'll keep on running through. 'Cause I've been saving all of my money just to get to you. Just to get to you. Just to get to you. We'll talk it over. Baby, there's no So meet me tomorrow and darling, we'll see what we see. What we see. So baby, meet me tomorrow under the black sky. We'll walk together, baby, you and I. You and I. I don't want you, baby, and you don't want me. So meet me tomorrow, darling, we'll see what we see. What we see. So baby, meet me tomorrow under the black sky. We'll walk together, baby, you and I. You and I. You and I. You and
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. The last words I'm gonna put in on this video is a few drawbacks. First of all, probably you can hear it from the camera at this distance, but it is noisy. It makes noise. The mechanism inside the pen, I don't know, it doesn't sit well, or it's a little bit loose. Something is causing it to make clicking noises all the time when it moves. The other issue is it doesn't open and close every single time, but it works most of the time. Other than that, very fun project, and I hope to see you back in my shop really soon.